So we've been working on Doyce's truck for some time now, and the seat has been a nagging issue. We've been wanting to get this thing reupholstered for some time. So what we want to do now is cut the indent into the seat, set it all up for the upholstery shop. But before we can do that, we want to actually bring the whole seat to them so they can inspect it, pull it apart, know what's in it, and then get it back to us so we can work on the framework, because we know the framework is not good on this. So working on the seat frame, we're going to be modifying the bottom of the seat and then going from there, sending it back to the upholstery shop for them to recover.
What we're doing, we're going to contour the seat to come in, have a recess right here for the shifter to move into that area when you pull it all the way back. So now, what I'm going to do is we're going to cut here. I'm going to have to bring this spring up to support up in here. Bring this spring up, cut it back far enough that it keeps our springs taut up here like this, so that we can bring the contour of the seat back in. That seems to be what the plan is. Let's see if I can pull it off.
So this is spring steel. This is what goes in the old seats. I got this from Carmen's. Terry was really nice enough to lend me some of the old barbaric stuff to fix the seat. And removing the old broken springs and welding up a couple and then making new ones of this. Boy, does it hurt the digits really bad. I don't want to do these no more. This is no longer fun in my 50s. My hands hurt from doing this. But Kevin was able to put the indent into the seat for the shifter. That came out really nice. And then I had to replace a bunch of these, rows of these, and then I had to make rows for straight brackets to finish this out. Now this can get wire wheeled up, cleaned up really nice, either OSPO 415. We could also send it to sandblast. Let's see what happens. But for now, she's a pretty strong seat. So let's see what we got. There's our indent for the shifter. The shifter will go into that really nice. Power outlet is down there on the seat frame. This seat frame, guys, yeah, it's an original 53, but it's not in great shape. We made the best of a bad day. They had a lot of previous work done on this, was really butchered, so we straightened a lot of the springs out. Dittoed both sides. I was able to replace this one and this one here so it collapses in on itself. They had them backwards. And then I doubled this one up over here. You can see the new ones that we made, the runners that go down. And you can see the new runners. I had to make like 4 of these things. They just break. So, and we welded the tabs and the collars. So we're good there, and then doubled everything up. So we got a very nice seat for Doyce's truck. We're gonna get this thing all cleaned up and ready to go. Just when you think you're done, this is the seat back to Doyce's 53 Ford. It's a little rusty. We're going to clean this up. We're going to wire wheel everything and make it really nice. OSPO or 415 will be our friend on this job. We're not worried about it too much. It's pretty strong now. Had to make a spring because the other spring on this was busted. And then you take these little clampies off and then you switch them out when you're done making it. So now it's the same. And then we have to clean a couple other areas up, tack weld a couple areas, and now we're good. And then this one here, I had to replace this whole run of the spring here. So this has got to get cleaned up still, because I had to tack weld into another. You want to lap it if you're going to tack into spring welds. And then when you do it, you don't do a very high setting, it'll just melt right through it. But this will never break. This will be great. And after Christy is done, she's going to help me wire wheel all this down. We're going to prep it, and then we'll paint the ends. And it'll go to the upholstery shop and be ready to go. Right. We're at Doyce's truck right now, and Christy just got finished DAing the seat, and I just got done 415ing the framework and painting the ends with Imron. So our next step is sending the seat out to Carmen's. So Terry's going to upholster the seat, and we're going to go pick it up, put it in this truck. That looks good, man.
Yeah, I think you came out all right.
Terry, you did good work.
I'm getting there. Still not like Brad. Well,
Hell yeah. Well, the seat is done. We're going to continue on. We're going to hinge it, the back piece in, and finish that out. Next up for us is body work. So that'll be it for this video. Thank you for staying with us and hanging in there, and a lot more to come here at this little tiny shop called Classic Art Creations. Take care, everyone.